Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to cover Klaviyo, which is one of my most favorite marketing automation softwares on the market right now. We will go through pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Klaviyo, and then we'll check pricing, so let's get started. So as I said, Klaviyo is marketing automation software developed to help businesses of every size, from entrepreneurs to iconic brands, in building sales for their online businesses. It allows customers to deliver amazing user experiences across email and other channels. It helps businesses to have their own marketing strategies and information to share with their customers. The brand provides its customers with the best category segmentation and customization, as well as pre-built automation and traffic generators. The company uses data science and analysis, one-click integration, and provides ROI-based reports. The brand also provides ads on Facebook and Instagram to attract more traffic. Klaviyo helps clients store all business data in the same system that provides them with an experience. They allow new experiments and business startups, and they allow existing companies to grow faster in a way that they can control and manage. The brand has a unique packaging calculation method. The brand has not specified a fixed amount of the plan, but instead creates a personalized plan based on the client's needs. So basically, you just have to pick one of the pricing methods, and then they will evaluate how much you should or you have to pay if you want to stick to them. So as you can see, when we go through to pricing, we see for email, how many email contacts you have. Let's go with 100. You click on calculate. Let's go with UK. And also you get the estimation once you log in. Then they are covering SMS and email and SMS. We can run a demo if we want to for creating a free account. Just request the demo and we are here. Once you enter your personal information or the information of your company, you can easily get into Klaviyo. So I already did that that I wanted to say, and now you can see the business platform. There's more of them, obviously, and the number of contacts, and you hit continue. But you must have to choose one. So let's go with Shopify. Continue. What's your URL? But let's skip this step without connecting. As you can see, we have brand information, sender name, sender email address. Let's go with my weird one, address. Like this, city. We can choose from a lot of countries. That's actually very nice. Let's go with Slovakia. Let's go with this one. And state, province, or region. Well, we don't have that here, so let's hit continue. Ay, 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 caramba. So this is your brand header or the social links. So just continue. And now, what's your top business goal? Choose the first goal you'd like to achieve with Klaviyo, and we'll provide you with personalized recommendations to succeed. Let's go with grow my audience. And at the moment, they sent us an email. And we have to confirm it. And they are very fast, I have to say. Straight away, we are in here, in our own workspace of Klaviyo. It's very nice because I can really appreciate fast email sending that we can't say, for example, about Canto, because I wanted to create my account there, but I'm still working like 1 hour for my confirmation email, and this was like this. It was easy and fast. So enough smashing of Canto. Let's focus on Klaviyo. Straight away we can go integrate Shopify as we did before, if you want to or not. And you can create your sign up form. Multi-step email and SMS, 2-tap for SMS only deals, mobile, multi-steps, basically whatever you want to go with. Let's go with the first one. And now we have to connect our audience or flows and create the campaigns. Klaviyo is a really nice way of basically micromanaging your social appearance through flows, email and templates. You can really choose which one you like, and then just proceed with it. For example, there can be photos of your brand or anything you are trying to sell or get to the customers. Sign up forms, SMS conversations, all in one place. List and segments, then we have a profiles. Then if you want to create another one or invite your coworkers, you can easily do that. Analytics, and very important one is integrations. With integrations, you can get Klaviyo on the second base or second layer. You can really step it up with integrations, but that goes with basically every single CRM or whatever you really have to. Catalog, data feeds, and we don't have any at the moment. I would really focus on integrations, for example with Shopify, and that is what I'm going to show you in the next couple of videos after this beginner or this introduction video, is how to basically add another product or another apps like Shopify, and we have Zendesk, Zoho. You can very much use Salesforce, Recurly, MailChimp even. And those you can't really integrate, you can integrate through Zapier. So if you use this one, you can integrate Klaviyo with basically anything you wish or you want. So far, I have to say that the experience is very nice, very fast, and I believe that they are backing up their support as well. Like if you need something, they are more than eager to help you, basically to help you achieve anything you like with Klaviyo. More videos in the future. I'll try to make as much as possible with Klaviyo because I really love this this program or this software. Until then, if you have any questions so far, how to log in, how to set up your account, how to connect Shopify or any other apps with Klaviyo, please leave your questions underneath this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.